Hey everyone, it's time for the latest GoSkills Excel challenge. This month's challenge was submitted by our community member, Ilgar Zarbaliyev. Follow along and see if you can solve it yourself. So, this week's challenge involves optimizing inventory levels across multiple stores and warehouses using Solver to minimize costs. You're going to work with two data sets. First, inventory and cost data, and warehouse stock and costs. The inventory and cost data set includes monthly demand, holding cost per unit, and stockout cost per unit for each store. The warehouse stock and cost data set provides available stock from warehouses in Toronto, Montreal, and Vancouver. And it includes shipment cost per unit from each warehouse to each store. Now, about the cost structure, the holding cost is the cost of storing inventory at each store. The stockout cost is the penalty for not meeting demand at any store. And the transportation cost is the cost of moving goods from warehouses to stores. Now let's talk about inputs and formulas. The formulas on row 27 calculate total stock for each store. The formulas on row 31 calculate stockout for each store. And row 29 contains the monthly demand for each store. So with all that in mind, here are your tasks. First, calculate the total inventory costs. That includes holding and transportation and stockout costs down in cell D33. You can either use sum or sum product functions for this. And the second task, use Solver to allocate monthly demand stock numbers for each store within this array while minimizing your total costs. Now some notes about the constraints. First, monthly demand for each store must be fully met. Second, inventory allocated from a warehouse cannot exceed its available stock. And last, shipments must be whole numbers. You can't have any fractions. So we encourage you to get creative with your solution. If you need help, drop us a message in the Slack channel, and we'll share our solution next week. We'll see you then. Do you have what it takes to complete this challenge? To get started, click the link below to download all the files you need. Let us know how you're doing in the comments section. Or, even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your progress. Link in the description. If you'd like to know the solution to this challenge, hit that subscribe button and get notified when the next video drops with all the step-by-step instructions on how to solve it. Good luck, everybody.